What's up, everybody? So today I'm just gonna walk the bank. Got me a chatterbait and a flipping jig right here. We've got a lot of rain recently. I wouldn't say a lot, but it's rained quite a bit the last couple days. So we're gonna just see what we can hook into. I'm gonna start off with a little chatterbait. Looks good. It's pretty windy today. I tried to get out here fishing yesterday, and yeah, the wind was just horrible. I caught a couple, but it was just really hard dealing with this wind. Wind is still getting after right now, if y'all can tell. I got the mic connected though, so it probably doesn't really sound too windy, hopefully. I think I got one now. Oh, there we go. I was stuck on some grass. Something hit it right after. So there we go, fish number one. Not a big guy, but that's a good sign. Trying out this new little trailer. It's by Missile Baits. I've been throwing their D-bomb a lot, and I like it. So I seen these, and I was like, let me give those a try. Hooked up with fish number one. I was trying to get it through that grass. The next thing you know, I got a nice thump. Thought we hooked up. Oh, I do got one. Did y'all see that? That was insane. It's like I landed on top of the grass and he bit it. That was insane. I don't know if y'all seen that or not. Hit that close to the bank. Look at that bigger little guy right there. Bigger, longer guy, as I can say. He has a good. This wind is howling right now. I hope that mic's doing good. I chose this bank though right here just because the wind's blowing on it. Them bait fish and stuff like that get pushed up on this bank, and they're not as strong as these bass to fight against the wind and stuff like that. So sometimes they end up getting ate a lot. All right, we're gonna keep moving. This wind is blowing. Gonna keep moving. I didn't think it was gonna be this windy today. The weather said it was gonna be sunny and nice, but I think I decided to go fishing and the weather changed its mind. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but out there you can see like darker patches in the water, which is basically just grass patches that are out there in the middle. I'm trying to cast this chatterbait through those. So I'm not really just blind casting in the middle. I kind of have a little target of what I'm aiming for. Oh, that was a good bite. Oh. I can't tell how big it is. See, that was right over, I don't know if y'all can see it, but that was right over that grass patch. Solid fish, so. Took my chatterbait trailer a little, messed it up a little bit. Alrighty guys, I lost the damn chatterbait. I'm sick because I was gonna be money for today, but I do have a spinnerbait with me. I don't have much stuff with me, but I do have this all white spinnerbait with me, so I'm gonna throw that same missile trailer on and see what we can get on. That's a solid fish right there on the spinnerbait. Look at that. Chunky fish right there. And take a picture of that guy. Here we go, the solid fish on the spinnerbait right at the top of the mouth. Get a release on. Guys fighting. There we go, another one on the spinnerbait. There's this little grass patch right here. Y'all can see it right there. And I flipped in front of it with the spinnerbait, gave it a couple twitches, and boom. Another solid fish right there. When it's windy like this, chatterbait and spinnerbait is my go-to every time. I can't tell you why, but well, like I said, it's probably got something to do. Probably got something to do with those bait fish being pushed up and stuff, but there he is, another good one. That's a fat fish right there. This wind is blowing. I'm on this corner trying to use the wall as some cover. Another beautiful fish on the spinnerbait though. Found us a little grass patch that has them. I'm gonna keep hitting it until it runs out of fish. Let's hit it again and see if we can catch one. Nope, not that time. Might have caught them all off the grass patch. I ain't get bit again. I don't know if y'all seen that. He ate that thing. Came out the grass for it. Jeez. There he is. Beautiful fish right there. Catching some healthy fish, honestly. Oh, I got a good bite right there. Little guy right there, but look how he ate this thing. Golly, that thing is down the gullet. It's crazy because I'm running this spinnerbait like, I guess pretty shallow, like above the grass, so I can still see. I can see my spinnerbait on the way in, and it just disappears. Those fish are so aggressive and so fast. It's crazy. Sometimes I don't even see it disappear. I can't tell if he's running fast. Oh, yeah, that's a solid fish. Dark fish. He's been in that grass. Look how he ate it though. Look how they're eating that spinnerbait. I mean, dude, that's insane. Oh my God. I was slow rolling that thing through the shallows and he smacked it. Like I said again, look how they're eating that thing. Get the salad out of here. Down the gullet, dude. Solid fish right there on the spinnerbait though. Ate it like literally on the bank almost. I was slow rolling, like I was reeling it all the way to the end. You know, sometimes you cast and then when you get out the strike zone, you start reeling faster to get it in. I was like, I'm gonna just slow roll this thing all the way to the bank because getting bit pretty shallow. And what do you know, it's so crazy how they blend in though. Like this water, I can see a little bit through it. I literally couldn't even tell where he came from, but somehow he hit like right in front of me. When I'm throwing this spinnerbait around like this through grass, I like to always just give it some pops. Just some random pops throughout it, but just because, chatterbait too, just because that grass gets caught on it, you don't really know if it's actually moving down there or not, if you can't see it, you know what I mean? So I give it some pops for that, and sometimes you realize when you give those pops, those fish just react to that. Just a little something different that they want to see, you know what I mean? Something to get them to going. So, you know, a little 2-in-1 to help you out. It does 2 jobs at once. Gave him a little soft hook set. I seen he didn't bite it that good. I could tell he didn't hit it that good, so there we go though. Hooked up with another. Oh my gosh, look what it did to that spinnerbait. Jeez. This bad boy's gonna be running funny now. If you're wondering what kind of spinnerbait this is, I want to say it's a KVD, so I believe that's Strike King spinnerbait. It's honestly my favorite spinnerbait. I throw it. It's probably like one of the only spinnerbaits I throw. I don't throw spinnerbait that much though, honestly, just because I throw a lot of crankbait. But if I do throw spinnerbait, it will be that Strike King right there. That felt like a good bite. He ain't a big guy, he just hit good. Long skinny fish. Beautiful colors on him though. Look how beautiful that guy is. Gonna be a hard hitter one day. So out there, a little bit, it's a little shorter than where I cast it. I cast it quite a bit past it. There's a grass line that's going all the way across basically. I'm just casting out past that and then I'm slow rolling over that grass line. And that's where I caught that last one right there. Oh my God, did y'all see that? Oh my gosh, that was an insane eat right there. That's the guy we're looking for. Saw a little guy. Not the one we're looking for, but definitely better. He ate it as I was coming up to the bank. Beautiful fish though. So that's 2 fish from the same grass patch around the same area. My spinnerbait running kind of funny now. I can see it. That thing's starting to get bent out. There he is. I felt like I could barely see my spinnerbait. I seen it disappear. I just couldn't tell if I went in some grass or not. This one little grass patch right in front of me seemed to be loaded up, but where are the big ones at is the question. I'm gonna slow roll over that thing again and see what happens. Nothing this time. Small dude hit it up shallow. I still just been covering water, just throwing a spinnerbait. Bite slowed down a little bit, but this small dude hit pretty nice right there, right on the top of the mouth. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm trying this missile trailer. And honestly, I like it a lot. It's very durable. I've only used one this whole time. It was slipping on the last couple fish, so I just flipped it around, stabbed it through the other side, and it's back to business and has really good action. It was a good solid hit. I don't think it's a big one though. There we go. All these fish are just really healthy and solid. They're just not any huge ones, you know what I mean? I don't know what it is. That was a sick bite right there. Ate that thing pretty good. I was slow rolling it like I've been doing. He came out of this grass patch right in front of me and smacked that thing. That dude was shallow. That's a solid fish right there. Not a 5, but definitely a low upgrade. That dude was shallow on this point right here. Dirty point too. It's muddy right there. It's a crazy good eat right there. Like I said, we've only been fishing for about an hour, so how many fish we've hooked into in this hour? I'm definitely satisfied. There he is. That feels like a solid fish right there. Hopefully it's a good one. Nope, it's not. Just a lot of grass. Not a bad fish though. Not a bad little fish. Oh, I got one. Got me on the tree. I thought I was hung on the tree. There's a fish. There we go. Our camera's on 1%, so this is my last fish. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.